And big breaking news coming in from Rajasthan. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot is all set to meet Governor Kalraj Mishra shortly. Gehlot will be giving a proposal to the governor to call an assembly session. India Today has also received information that BJP delegation will also reach the governor's house at around 5 p.m. All right, let's go across to Devankur Vadhavan for all the latest in Jaipur. Dev, so it's going to be a busy Saturday evening. Who likely is going to reach the governor's house first and what will be on agenda? Devankur.
Well, Pooja, all through Friday, on Saturday for some time as well, the leaders from the Congress had met the governor. The Congress Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot had alleged that that Governor Kalraj Mishra was acting in a partisan manner, mentioning that he was acting under pressure, that there was, a lot of confusion as far as the calling of the assembly was concerned. Gehlot mentioned that the governor was not calling the assembly session despite the fact that the state government was asking for it. And the governor was mentioning that if the state government claims that it has the majority, then what is the need for calling the session? So clearly, there is a lot of confrontation between the governor, between the BJP and the Rajasthan government, because at this point in time, Ashok Gehlot believes that he has the majority, although it's a wafer-thin majority, and he wants to get over and done with this entire impasse. And that is why he believes that the sooner the assembly session is called for, the better it would be for him to prove his majority on the floor of the house. And if an assembly session is called for, then the 19 rebel MLAs belonging to the pilot camp can be pressurized to come and attend the session. And, probably a non-finance bill can be put forth on the floor of the house. And if that passes through, then that automatically would mean that the government has the majority numbers. And if a whip is issued and the pilot group does not follow the whip, then that can automatically be made a ground for their disqualification. So all through Thursday and for some time on Friday and even today, all of these deliberations have been going on.
And Devankur, keep tracking all the latest. So it seems just in about an hour from now, there is going to be heightened activity at the governor's house. We'll be tracking all the latest on India Today. Devankur.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.